Hey, you called?
Sure, I will book the meeting with Manthan. How about 2 p.m. on Monday?
Hey, Bill Gates, my Windows is not working due to a global outage.
Bruh.
Hello everyone, myself Manthan, an AI automation agency owner. In this course, we are going to set up the most trendy thing in AI automation, which is AI call assistants. And I'm really excited and I hope to see you in the first lecture. Bye bye.
Hello, I am Sarah. How can I help you today?
Hi, how are you? And I have just one question about my insurance.
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. How can I assist you with your insurance question today?
Yeah, where do I fax my claim information to you?
You can fax your claim form and any additional documentation to us to begin the process. However, please remember that we require one certified death certificate for each claim and the original forms for processing.
Amazing, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all.
Alright, if you have any other questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Have a great day too. Bye. Hello everyone, myself Manthan Patel, an AI automation agency owner. In this course, we are going to set up the most trendy thing in AI automation, which is AI call assistants. Yes, we will build AI call assistant in such a way that whenever someone calls them, we automatically handle all the users' queries, users' question, book a meeting, book a reservation if you are a restaurant owner, cancel the reservation, as well as other things like it will act as a customer service rep, lead collector or lead generation, as well as it will do inbound and outbound calls. Well, the possibilities of these AI call assistants are literally limitless. But one major issue is they are hard to set up or they are hard to build. But don't worry, you are in good hand, because in this course, I will provide you with all the knowledge that you need to know in order to build any kind or any niche of AI call assistants. Also don't worry, this course is no code course, meaning even non-technical person or non-coding person will be able to easily build this AI call assistant and convert this automation into a profitable business or agency. Here, we are going to use no-code tools like Vapi AI, Blend AI, Make.com. We are also going to use CRM tools like Airtable, and even if you are using Google Sheet, we will integrate all of them into our AI call assistant, and we are going to build a robust AI call assistant that will actually answer much better than any human customer service rep. Whether you are a business owner, automation expert, customer service rep, or even a freelancer or tech student, you need to understand and learn this concept or technology in order to stay ahead of your competition. And this is what exactly you are going to get in this course. Trust me, this technology will be the future of AI. And if you don't trust me, don't worry, I am going to prove it to you in this course. Well, that's too much information for this class, and I'm really excited, and I hope to see you in the first lecture. Bye bye. Guys, you did it. Welcome to this course. In this first lecture, we are going to talk about what are these AI callers exactly, like how they work, what is going in the backend, and be wondering like what are these AI callers and why should you care or bother about? Well, buckle up, and that's what exactly we are going to cover or explore in this first lecture. Imagine calling a company and instead of navigating through frustrating menus or dealing with a potentially lazy human, you are greeted by an AI that sounds remarkably human-like and listens even better than your significant other. That's, my friend, is the magic of AI phone agent. But how does this technology actually work? Let us break it down. The first thing is call connection. When you dial a number, your call first connects with a cloud communication platform like Twilio or OneEdge. Think of this as a digital switchboard. Second is AI phone infrastructures. When the call reaches an AI phone infrastructure provider like Vapi AI or VoiceFlow or even Blend AI, this acts as the middleman, meaning creating a seamless phone experience or seamless connection. Now the magic begins. Third thing we have is speech to text conversion. When you actually dial a number and when you start speaking, your voice input is captured and transcribed into text using advanced speech recognizing software, meaning whatever you have said in your call is actually converted into a text or a script feature. And then this text will goes to a language processing or for example an LLM. This text is then fed it into the brain of our AI assistant, which is basically a large language model or LLM like GPT from OpenAI or Claude. After that, the response is generated. In other words, whenever you type something on ChatGPT or Claude, you will actually get a response, right? So, our voice or whatever we have said on the call is actually converted into text, and that text goes to LLM like ChatGPT. It will ask that question and the ChatGPT will provide us the answer. And now, the answer of ChatGPT, which is in the text form, is converted back to the voice of AI. And this is known as text-to-speech conversion. The text response is transformed back into the speech using a voice synthesizer, creating like natural-sounding audio. And finally, the last step is audio playback. This audio is streamed back to your phone, creating the illusion of a real-time conversation with a human. The most mind-blowing part here is, it all just happened in a fraction of a second. Like you might be wondering, we are performing all of these 7 steps, it should take at least 5 to 10 minutes. But no, it will happen in a blink of eye by using Vapi AI or any AI infrastructure provider. Further on, allow me to introduce a real-life example so that you might get a better visual understanding of this AI call assistance. Imagine a company which receives 500 leads on a daily basis, and each lead requires, let's say, 5 minutes on call. Well, that's over 40 hours of call every day. With a human appointment setter, which charge around $20 per hour, you are looking at a monthly cost of 30,000+ for a team of 10 appointment setter. Now let us flip the coin and replace that with an AI system. At roughly 13 cents per minute, those same call would just cost about $750 per day or 15,000 per month. That's a saving of more than half. Not to mention the reduced management and overhead of human customer service rep. The further advantages of AI call assistants are 24/7 availability. AI assistant can work around the clock without any break. And consistency. Every call is handled with the same level of professionalism and tone. Now let us talk about scaling. In the previous example, we talk about 500 leads per day. Now imagine if you are getting 5,000 or 50,000 leads per day, will you be able to manage a human customer service rep for all of those calls? Well, the answer is no. And here the AI comes into the play. The scalability is limitless. You can scale this as much as you can. And last but not least benefit of using AI call assistant is multilingual support. This AI call assistant can be programmed to speak multiple languages fluently. Not just English, not just Spanish, not just Chinese, but they can speak all of the language altogether. For example, if the customer or the user actually start the conversation in English, the AI response will be in English. Then the customer feel or need to change the language, they will automatically switch to Hindi, Japanese or French, and our AI assistant will answer in that language. So you can understand my point of multilingual support. So that's all for this first lecture, and I will see you in the next lecture where we talk about the tools that we actually need in order to make this AI call assistance. Alright, I will see you there. Hi everyone, this lecture is going to be your class project or about your class homework. So the class homework for you will be to create any assistant in Vapi as well as integrating that assistant in make.com and share the screenshot in PNG or JPG format in the project section to earn your certificate. Let me show you some of the solution that you can create. First of all, you can create an inbound call assistant. Well, if you have a barber shop, If you have a dentist, if you have a restaurant, something like that, you can make that solution for your use case. As well as you can do outbound calls for qualifying leads, food delivery, transportation logistics, etc. etc. So these are the two categories that you can create your homework and share a screenshot or attach the screenshot in the project section to earn your certificate. Well, that's all for this homework lecture. And again, if you have any question, feel free to ask me and I will help you out. And I'm really excited what you are going to build in Vapi and Make.com. So that's all for this lecture and I will see you in the next one. Congratulations guys on completing this entire course on AI Call Assistant via Vapi and Make.com. Throughout this course, we have explored through this incredible potential of Vapi and Make.com to create your AI phone agents, streamline your business operations, as well as enhance your customer service. Remember that you are already ahead of 97% of people because they are yet to be heard of this technology and you have already done it, use it and implement it. But I want to say one thing that as you move forward, just don't be afraid of experimenting. Try experimenting with different use cases, scenarios, different workflows. The field of AI is constantly evolving. So don't be afraid because you already have this foundation skill that you can implement right away in real world to change your business or even change your other people's business by running your agency. So once again, thank you for joining me on this journey and it's been fascinating to teach you and it's been my pleasure. But one thing I again want to say is, feel free to ask me any question. Like if you have some question in making up scenario in Make.com or if you have some question in Vapi dashboard, for example, how to create an effective system from and something like that, I'm here. You can literally ask me anything and I'm here to help you. Alright, so go out there, create something, be proud of yourself, keep shining and keep exploring. Alright, good luck to you and I will see you in some of my other courses. Bye bye.